Promoting diversity, a key to enriching our world. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very important and relevant topic: promoting diversity. Diversity is all about appreciating and celebrating the differences among people, including their cultures, perspectives, and backgrounds. Understanding this concept is not only essential for personal growth but also for creating a more inclusive and vibrant society. Let's dive into what promoting diversity means and why it's so crucial in today's world. Diversity refers to the variety of unique characteristics, qualities, and experiences that people bring to a group or society. It's not just about race or ethnicity. It encompasses gender, age, nationality, religion, disability, sexual orientation, education, and much more. Embracing diversity means acknowledging and valuing these differences, rather than ignoring or minimizing them. Promoting diversity is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it enriches our learning and working environments by bringing multiple perspectives to the table. This can lead to more creative and effective problem-solving. Secondly, it enhances social harmony by fostering understanding and respect among different communities. Finally, promoting diversity is key to achieving equality and inclusion, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to contribute and succeed regardless of their background. Promoting diversity involves active efforts and practices. It can be as simple as educating oneself about other cultures and perspectives, or as involved as implementing policies and programs that support diversity and inclusion in schools, workplaces, and communities. Here are some ways to promote diversity. Encourage open dialogue about different experiences and viewpoints. Support and participate in cultural and diversity-related events. Challenge stereotypes and biases when you encounter them. Advocate for inclusive policies that address the needs of diverse groups. While the benefits of promoting diversity are clear, there are also challenges. These may include resistance to change, prejudices and biases, and lack of awareness. Overcoming these challenges requires patience, education, and a commitment to change. It's important to recognize that promoting diversity is a continuous process that benefits everyone involved. Thank you for joining us to explore the concept of promoting diversity. Embracing and promoting diversity is not just a noble goal but a necessary step towards building a more inclusive, equitable, and vibrant world. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of diversity and how you can play a part in promoting it. Remember, every small action counts in making a big difference. Let's work together to celebrate diversity in all its forms.